On 4th of October 2025, a pediatrician from the Madhya Pradesh of India got arrested because of cough syrup which acted adversely on many children and made to land up with the renal failure. And finally we lost 11 lives. Many of us take self medication. Be careful because even qualified doctors become unable to identify the adulteration and adverse effect in many cases. India probes possible cough syrup linked to the death of at least 9 children. Three states banned the cough syrup after children dies allegedly after consuming the product. That is Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala has banned the product. What it has actually done? What made? Possibly DEG is the culprit. Diethyl glycol is found in the exceeding the permissible limit. According to the FDA doesn't recommend any amount of DEG in the medicines. DEG, diethyl glycol, is an industrial chemical not advised to be added in the medicine. See, usually they mix up the glycol or glycerin as a demulcent. So, in the place of glycol, somehow the diethylene glycol has entered. See, it could be a adulteration, like it's cheaper than the glycol, or else a mismatching, mislabeling. So something has happened, and the DEG is found nearly about 48% in the sample, in the given sample. In that cough syrup, the 48% of the DEG is found. Hence, the Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala has banned the product, and product is manufactured by the Sresan Pharma, basically from the Tamil Nadu, and the case has been filed under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, section 105, that is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and 276, that is adulteration of drugs, and the section 27A of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. So my question is, why the doctor got arrested? See, the one thing, means the DEG causes the renal failure, tubular failure, and probably that could be the reason he has not identified in the early stage, and that could be the reason why he got arrested. Or else, uh, next one is this Drug and Cosmetic Act not only covers the adultering manufacturing, it also covers the selling of adulterated drug also. So probably he might have involved in selling of that drug or else the dispensing of that drug. So he might have dispensed by himself. That could be the reason why he got arrested. So initial reports said that is 7 children, and afterwards is found that 11 children death in the Madhya Pradesh. Doctor who prescribed poisoned cough syrup arrested. Tamil Nadu based firm booked. So this is all about the cough syrup. The culprit in the cough syrup is the DEG, diethyl glycol. Glycol usually prescribed as a demulcent, and here it could be a, means it's another variety of glycol, that is the diethyl glycol, which is a poisonous thing which is found in the cough syrup and caused the death of 11 children in Madhya Pradesh. So thanks for watching the video.